Now to come over.
Oh, what's that mean?
Oh, Tita Procy, you
English.
come here. Where is this? Oh, what place is this? What country?
Nepal.
Guys, don't forget to send stars to Tita Ni, okay? That's a big help. Yeah, we don't need your like, we need your stars, okay?
So how do you send the star?
Dala na akong emoji na
Emoji na star.
How do you send your stars?
Ibili ka ng star.
Oh, ganon.
Gcash pa yun, Tita. Sa card.
Gcash?
Opo, pwede na sa
Oh,
card.
so you're making enough? You're making so much?
Si Tita Ni po, yes. I think she's making around 6 digits per month.
6 digits. That's zero.
Summer decimal na zero.
Lahat zero, walang ano.
Si Andre pa ba?
Jaira.
Sino Jaira?
Si Jaira.
Si Jaire.
Yeah, si Jaira.
Video?
Jaira.
Video ko? Ito, ganyan din. Ang sarap
Oo
na
nga
video.
daw, hindi mo naman ako pinapadala.
Jaira, say something.
Hi guys, how are you?
Yeah, this is Ed.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
This is my pogging
Wi-Fi.
nephew.
Okay.
Anak yan ni Erap.
Oh, yes.
Pinaka-pogging nephew.
Oh no, don't believe that.
Oo.
No.
But
That's not
in
true.
English is... Say hi to your cousin. Say
Hi
hi.
cousins. I'm here in the Philippines. Oh, Ate Annalisa.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go here.
Yeah, sabihin
And
mo.
maybe we go to where? Boracay? You want to go to Boracay or Baguio?
You
Let's
come
go.
here and we'll go
Yeah,
there.
you come here.
We'll go there.
Oh, it's hot here. It's hot. Yeah, even if there's aircon, it's still hot.
Sabi ka naman nakabukas ng aeroplane.
Kamukha mo si ano, Jaira.
Si
Jaira. Diba? Para kayong
Si Jake
magkapatid.
here, sino
Kita talaga lakas mong bola,
Si
oh.
Jake o si ano,
Oh.
sino si Fidel?
Fidel?
Oo, di ba?
Si Tatay Piling?
Hindi.
Sige pa, English pa.
Yeah. For you guys, it's good.
Invite them. Invite them to come over.
If you want to get entertained, follow Ate Ni on Facebook. Okay? And send stars. Don't forget to send stars.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't forget to send stars, guys, ha?
Ay, wala nagpapadala.
Oh, wala daw, oh. Did you hear that?